Welcome to Daryn Klein Racing. We'd like to wish you all a very happy Thanksgiving, happy holiday season. Want to let you all know that we are having a sale on all our apparel. We'll start Thursday morning and run through Sunday night. All our t-shirts that we have in stock, being this year's and last year's, are $15 or less. Hoodies will be $30 or less, and our hats will be $18. So if you're interested in any apparel, check out DarynKleinRacing.com. Click on the store tab and you can order straight from there. Let's get into this week's video. Well, it's Monday night, about 6 o'clock. Got the old battery out, new battery in.
There you go, that was under that safe.
Oh, I don't need one of them.
Yeah, I figured.
I got about 19 of them.
Motor underneath the TV.
Got the toolbox out. Setting it there for now. Nicholas is running off with the safe.
Sadly, there ain't nothing in it.
Yeah, too bad it's empty. Definitely tell where the toolbox was sitting. We're gonna polish that up. I am getting ready to do a quick inventory of t-shirts. See what we got on hand, because we're gonna have a sale coming up soon. Black Friday, stay tuned for that.
Yeah, this would be a good one to get on video.
I just don't want to have to keep moving this bitch.
Oh, son of a... Oh.
Just think there's 4 of these Herkimers on here.
Fuck.
Well, there's 5.
The wheels don't weigh that much.
Which way?
Here, let me get that.
We need to put a piece of cardboard or something up here. We're gonna scratch crap out of it.
Yeah, that rim sticks past it.
Yeah, that rim sticks out past it.
The one I was laying on, George.
Where's it at?
On it, it's right around the corner on the front.
Okay. Okay.
I mean, it takes 2 minutes of crane to lift this.
Fuck yeah. The only problem is it stick out on this side too?
Yeah.
Shit, I'm gonna have to make my mount. Well, I could scoot it and slide it down. I can mark it. I'm not 100% sure we're gonna leave it there, but I know we're not gonna be taking the trailer out, so it's fine for now.
Take it right in here.
That's what I was thinking, just build about and roll it right up there. That way we ain't gonna lift this.
Slide it all the way forward.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh, look at that bitch. Cut the cardboard off, Doug. Call it good. That tire ain't going nowhere.
I can hear Daryn now. Dad in his car.
See, there's nothing.
Yeah.
And that's why I did, and this is the same way. But the top is, oh.
That thing, I say just order aluminum wheel. Something more manageable.
Try to put
I
that
hope we
brick
never
on
have
this
to
thing.
use it.
I know the gear thing in here is not a bad idea for him. Fix that hairline.
We've been looking for you.
He can look at that hairline.
You're gonna give him a complex.
It's okay.
Who's the thought?
Not mounted, it's just sitting there for now. We're
It'd be light.
Yeah.
good thing is we don't gotta use it this week.
Okay, Douglas. Alright.
What?
Are you gonna mount the pump for the...
Yeah, we're gonna take this back half off.
Yeah, I was gonna say, why they don't have like a cover access panel here? That's just wasted space there.
Guess we could buzz that off real quick, see what we got in there.
Yeah.
He was gonna make a bulkhead right next to the tire grinder, a little bit further back, aluminum, and fasten it to where we can.
You're gonna have to take this whole panel off.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, from right here on.
Yeah.
I think it's that Phillips, isn't it? Oh,
Yeah. Yes.
You got one in the center right there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's Uno.
Trying to get screws out.
He'll say, I don't know what the fuck you guys are doing. He took the ramp over apart for about an hour.
There's one in there, George. If you can find it.
In your box? In your box?
Yeah, it's in Milwaukee.
She got wood underneath her. Crew change.
I tried.
It's okay. You did a good job.
So the reason why we're doing all this is we're wanting to mount the pump for our pit lift underneath that, so it's out of the way.
You know, and just run it underneath the flooring to the beam.
I got them things beefed up.
Yeah, and on the top up here. Yeah, there's not very much gap between each one.
There's ribs going across, right?
Yeah.
A lot of them.
They look to be on 16.
What's
See
that?
if you can get them out, Doug.
They look to be on 16-inch centers.
Well, yeah.
There hasn't been a whole lot going on the past week or so. Daryn was out of town for a couple days. Doug's been out of town since last Thursday. It is currently Tuesday. He gets back tomorrow. We worked one night on the trailer, as you have seen, but we will be getting back at it next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content. If you are, hit that thumbs up button. Drop us a comment and let us know what you think, or if you got any ideas for the trailer. Or if there's something you'd like to see, let us know. If you're not a subscriber, you can do so by hitting the picture of Daryn's race car in the lower right-hand corner. We'll catch you all next week. Happy Thanksgiving.